If you're familiar with Fusion, then you know how frustrating it is to make Fusion effects, especially if it's an effect that you use very often but have to remake every single time you want to use it. Today let's talk about power bins. Power bins are basically regular bins, except for they're shared across all your projects. And for people who have multiple devices, you can even link the power bins to your cloud and use a shared folder. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it, guys.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy.
Alright, so now we have our Fusion effects saved. And that's already better than what it was before, having to create them every single time. But let's take it a step further and incorporate some power bins.
To feel